you have a pretty good line, okay? I want you to click on the ruler again and go to least squares line. Click on that. So for me, the blue line was my line. When I put on the least squares line, that really is the line of best fit, okay? That is the line of best fit. You were closer? That's good. Mine, not so close, but that's all right. Take a look at these equations in yellow. It says age equals negative slope in years per dollar times price plus 15 years. That's what mine is, the line of best fit, okay? And you can see yours is up there too. It's not as close. What does this look like? It's an equation, but what kind of equation does it best resemble? A linear equation, because this is a line. Boom. Nice. So this is like y equals mx plus b, right? So y equals mx plus b, where y is the age of your vehicle. Your slope is given to you as negative point blah, blah, blah. Okay, negative 0.00058. You put in a price, or you could put in a price, and plus 15 years. 15 years, what do we call that? What is that to my graph? What do we call that again? Or what is this form? Y equals mx plus b is called what form? Slope intercept form. That is the y-intercept. So at $0, we would expect it to be $0. 15 years of age. Does that make sense? $0. Negative. Okay. So you would use this, and if Jane knows how old her Subaru is, and I'm sure she does, she could put that age in and come up with a price, right? Now, take a look at this r squared value. Do you see this? It says r squared. R squared is 0.855, okay? That is called a correlation value. And I want you to hang on to this sheet. I should have had you pick this up on the way in. These are definitions of some things that are going to be really important. Oh, no, you're okay. 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So scatter plot, that is at the top of the sheet. Correlation value, correlation R value. R is always a number between -1 and +1. If R is bigger than 0, that is a positive correlation, okay? If R is less than, then it is a negative correlation, negative association. Values of R that are near 0 indicate a very weak linear relationship. All right. Now, we don't have an R value. We have R squared. How would I find R if I'm given R squared? If you have R squared, what would you need to do to find R? Janetta? Yes. You would need to take the square root. Okay? So, on your calculators, if you have a calculator near you, what is the square root of 0.855? Who's got it? Come on, guys. 0.924. Okay. 0.924, that's pretty close to 1. So that is a very high positive correlation. Okay. What do we have? 2 minutes left. Did anybody already do the graph that has the other variables on it? Did anybody do price and what is it? Mileage? Price and mileage. Price, mileage, and let's do a line of best fit. Least squares line, not line of best fit. Least squares line. Okay, take a look at this R squared value. R squared is 0.809. Somebody take the square root of that. In our final minute. What's the square root of 0.809? Huh? I know. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? Shoot. I always do that. What is the R value there, guys? Come on. 0.899. Okay. 0.899. That's the R value. Now that also is a high positive correlation. Okay, correlate. Oh. But which one is better? Which one has a higher correlation? Is it price and age or price and mileage? Price and age, yes. This one is definitely higher than what this is, correct? So if she wants to price her vehicle, she should use price and age. Okay? So somewhere does it give the information about her vehicle? Pick the stronger relationship. Use the data to find an equation that describes the relationship. Da 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 da. Da da da. Here it is. Here it is. If Jane's car at the bottom is 9 years old with 95,000 miles on it, which listing price would you suggest? So you should pick the one that was price and age using that equation that they gave you. Okay? Does that make some sense? Because you are going to have data. You're going to have two variables. Most of you are going to have scatter plots. And you're going to have to come up with the least regressions line, which is the line of best fit. Not the one you think it is, not yours, but that is the actual line of best fit. Okay? So we didn't totally get done with this, but do we kind of have a good idea of how you would do this on your own? Okay, so tomorrow, you guys are not going to be here at school. I don't want to see you. I mean that in the nicest way. Do you have a plan? I hope you have a plan. Either you are going on a college visit or job shadowing, or maybe there's a project, something for you to do. Look on Canvas. You should have that, okay? I will be here tonight after school. And other than that, I guess I will see you on Friday. We might finish this up a little bit on Friday and then move to the next topic, okay?